Hi everyone, it's Takoyaki's again. Thanks for dropping by. Today we'll be unboxing 3 things that I purchased from Drop recently. The Drop and MiTo collab Godspeed desk mats and the MT3 black on white keycap set. The desk mats cost $20 US each and the keycap set cost $110. We'll unbox the desk mats first and then get into the keycaps. Aside from the obviously awesome design of the mats and the keycap set, another reason I jumped on these was for the cost and shipping times. As some of you might know, usually the things you buy from Drop won't reach your doorstep for quite some time, but these things had a ship date of just a few weeks. I bought these on October 23rd, and it was at my doorstep by November 4th. I don't know what it is about MiTo's designs, they resonate with me so much, and for $20 it's a steal considering how much the mainstream brands charge for similar items. This one right here is the Aries colorway desk mat. I had to get this one because I had another keyboard en route at the time that I thought would match this perfectly. My E-White Tofu looked nice on it, but I think the other desk mat I got here would look even better. Let's check it out. This mat right here is the more versatile choice of the two, the Monochrome colorway. It definitely gives off more of that space vibe, well, because it's in black and white. One word: nice. Next up, the black on white MT3 profile keycaps. The MT3 profile is an exclusive mold that Drop helped bring to life in collaboration with a guy called MT3 BoW. Developed through years of planning and several iterations on what would be the best typing experience for the keyboard enthusiasts, MT3 was born. The idea was to make a high-profile keycap set, reminiscent of the old-school terminal keyboards that look great but comfortable to type on, assuming compared to SA profile keycaps. The keycaps are double-shot ABS material with a textured surface, which is nice because I prefer that over shiny and smooth surfaces. Not all MT3 keycaps are ABS, so if you prefer PBT, those options are available on Drop, albeit in different colorways. Another distinguishing factor of this profile, the cupped shape of the keycaps, especially the F and J keys, making your fingertips feel nice and supported. I found them to be vastly superior to the SA profile in terms of typing experience. If you love the look of high profile but can't stand SA keycaps, this is the way. I'll link the backstory and the development of these keycaps in the description. I highly suggest you give it a read because it's a really interesting and fascinating one. And here it is, E-White Tofu 65 with the MT3 black on white keycap set. Very happy and satisfied with these pickups from Drop. And that's it for today, guys. Thanks for the continued support of this channel. Your encouragement and feedback is much appreciated, and I hope you like the edits. It took me a while to do it, but it was fun. Anyways, see you in the next one.